At Isabella, we have 4 different frame choices that you can use. The nice thing about all of our frames, they're made from our own frame factory. The first lightweight frame we do is for the Ventura. It's a fiberglass frame. Very, very lightweight, very flexible, and it's a great frame to use for touring. And there's no wing nuts on the frame, on the pole. You just pull the pole away and then you just lock it into position with a lever, so there's no wing nuts. Then we use a steel frame, 25mm. This is actually used for on the Ventura range and the Isabella. It's galvanised inside and out so it won't rust. And again, we have a lever. You just open up the lever and then push the lever down to lock it. The next light frame that we do is the carbon fibre frame. Now the carbon fibre frame is very, very lightweight, very, very strong. It's fiberglass with carbon in the poles. Again, no wing nuts. We separate the pole like this and just a lever. There's actually on this one here, there's a groove here, so we could actually use the tool of the Hercules. We put it on there and we lever it out and gives that extra tension. But the nice thing about a carbon fibre frame, it is as strong as a 25mm frame here. Lightweight, but it's also helps with condensation. Where metal poles are cold, where warm air would touch the metal poles, you have condensation. With a carbon fibre frame, it actually alleviates some of that problem. The next frame we do is what we call the mega frame. Now this is definitely for seasonal use. It's 32mm engaged, it's galvanised inside and out, so again it won't rust. And we have 2 wing nuts on this to make sure that it stays in place when you erect the awning. And they are our frames that Isabella used from our own frame factory.